everybody in our society's life is touched by cancer. If not personally, then through a loved one, a family member, colleague, friend. And once our lives are touched by cancer, we quickly learn that there are basically three weapons or three tools that are available to fight the disease: surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. And once we get involved in the therapeutic decisions, we also very quickly learn the benefits, the trade-offs, and the limitations of these tools. I'm very thankful to Jay and to Mark and the TEDMed team for inviting me today to describe a fourth tool, a new tool that we call Tumor Treating Fields. And they use low-intensity electric fields to fight cancer. In cancer, cells rapidly divide and lead to uncontrolled tumor growth. We can think of a cell from an electrical perspective as if it's a mini space station. And in that space station, we have the genetic material, the chromosomes, within a nucleus. And out in the cytoplasmic soup, we have special proteins that are required for cell division that float freely in this soup in 3 dimensions. Importantly, those special proteins are among the most highly charged objects in our body. As cell division begins, the nucleus disintegrates, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, and those special proteins undergo a 3-dimensional sequence whereby they attach, and they literally click into place end on end to form chains. These chains then progress and attach to the genetic material and pull the genetic material from one cell into 2 cells. And this is exactly how one cancer cell becomes 2 cancer cells, 2 cancer cells become 4 cancer cells, and we have ultimately uncontrolled tumor growth. Tumor treating fields use externally placed transducers attached to a field generator to create an artificial electric field. And when that cellular space station is within the electric field, it acts on those highly charged proteins and aligns them. And it prevents them from forming those chains, those mitotic spindles that are necessary to pull the genetic material into the daughter cells. What we see is that the cells will attempt to divide for several hours, and they will either enter into this so-called cellular suicide, programmed cell death, or they will form unhealthy daughter cells and enter into apoptosis once they have divided.